My dear friends, we are going to start volumetric exercise. So for volumetric exercise, you need to use this burette, one pipette of 10 ml, one conical flask for the reading, funnel and beaker for the solution, as well as stand to hang the burette. Now here you can see that the knob of this burette is different. See this. And here it is a cock, and another type of burette is like this. Here also a cock is different. So different type of cocks are available with the burette. So which type of burette you are having, that depends on the laboratory and in which type of burettes are used. Now let us start how to prepare a burette with the solution. So first of all, you need to take the funnel and keep that funnel on the upside of the burette. Without funnel, you are not adding any solution to the burette. Now the second thing is that he has hold the funnel with his finger. Why? That when you add any liquid, air pressure will be created. To remove that air pressure, funnel should be kept at the upper side, and then some solution. First of all, we are using doing volumetric exercise first time. We are starting the practical, so first of all we will wash the apparatus with water, and same way we will rinse the burette. So by keeping the funnel upside, we are adding some solution, some water. Now by adding this water, two things we can do. First of all, we will check that burette is not leaking. So here you can check that burette is not leaking, and by pressing only the solution is coming out or water is coming out. So by adding water, first we are checking that burette is leak or not. Now we are keeping this burette sideways and we are rinse. We are just moving this burette to rinse the burette, and we will throw the water outside. Now we have checked that burette is not leak. We have also rinsed the burette. Now we are adding solution. That solution we are using for volumetric exercise. But we are not adding full solution to the burette. We are adding just half the solution, and we will remove the bubble from the burette. So here it is a bubble. By pressing some, the bubble is removed. Now after removal of this bubble, we are adding solution to the burette, and we will try to keep it on the above of zero level. So here you can see that the solution is filled not up to the zero but above the zero line, and we will remove the funnel. Now here you can see that zero level is over here. And we are using liquid at the upper side of this. Now see, we have set the liquid at zero level. Now here you can see the two sides of this liquid, lower side and upper side. When colorless liquid is filled in the burette, then you have to set the lower side of the liquid at the zero level. And when colored solution is kept in the burette, then you have to go for upper side of the liquid. After this, first of all you need to check the zero level from the exactly opposite side of the burette. If you check from the lower side, the layer will be seen at the different level, and if you see at the upper side, the level is also changing. So when you prepare your burette, check that you are watching that zero level exactly from the eye level contact, so you can judge the layer at the exact side. We have set up the burette at the zero level. We removed the bubble and exactly zero level is maintained in the burette. Now for volumetric exercise, one liquid is required in the flask. So we have to use pipette to take that solution, and generally what we are doing, that students are keeping that beaker on the platform of the table and then just taking with the pipette. Now here one thing you have to remember, that pipette must be dipped in the beaker, and you have to keep the beaker in the hand and nearly 45 degrees. So the pipette will be touched at the lower bottom of the beaker, and finally we are taking it in the pipette by taking in this way. Generally students are doing that, they are using finger when they are taking the solution, but this process is wrong. How to suck the liquid, that we are showing you. Now see, the pipette burette is set up, pipette in the hand, beaker is in the hand, and this guy is taking the solution upside. Now after that, other two things are there. Generally students are placing their thumb on the pipette. This is a wrong process. Again he has or she has to suck the solution again, and now see, again he is taking the liquid and he will place his first finger after taking it, and here you can see that in the pipette there are zero level over here. You have to check it where the surface of zero level is there. Now by slowly we are just removing the liquid and we are keeping it at the zero level. Again this liquid is colorless, so we are placing the lower level at the, see that we have taken 10 ml liquid in the pipette at the zero level, and now we are allowing this liquid in the flask. So we are keeping that pipette into the flask, and we will remove the finger from the upper side and allow the solution in the flask. Now when all the solution will be dropped down, some of the liquid may be in the downside. So what students are doing, they are doing like this one. They just blow it with the mouth and to take the whole liquid in the flask. But this is a wrong process. We have to keep your thumb and the fingers on the bubble of the pipette, and we will keep the pipette in this way, so all the liquid will be dropped down. So don't blow it, just keep your finger and thumb on the bubble of this pipette, and by doing this way you can take all the liquid. Dear friends, we have set up all these things. We have kept the burette in the stand. We have set up it at the zero level. We have taken 10 ml with the help of a pipette, and solution is taken in the flask. Funnel is from the sideways, and now we are going to perform first volumetric exercise. So in the next video we will see how volumetric exercise 1 will be performed by us.